So now let's see how we can access Adobe Camera RAW in Adobe Photoshop. So Adobe Camera RAW can be accessed to Adobe Photoshop as well, and it opens up by default when you open up Camera RAW format. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto File right here, and once I do that, I'm going to go around and click on Open right here. Once I do that, I can navigate to the folder where I have my raw image, and I have my raw image right here in the NG format, as you can see. So once I go around and click on this and click on Open, then since it is a raw format, it actually opens up Adobe Camera RAW. So you can see that it is loading right here, just like this, and there you go. It opens up Adobe Camera RAW first. You can also go full screen, and then you can go around and make the edits as you like this right here, and then you can open or open as an object or open a copy of this, as you can see right here. So this is the Adobe Camera RAW, and this is how you can access it through Adobe Photoshop. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.